Hello viewers, this is Azharul, a professional freelancer welcoming you to watch this new video where I am going to show you the fastest and the easiest ways to remove backgrounds from images by using any version of Photoshop software. Okay, so here I am using Photoshop CC 2015. If you have the latest version or the older version like CS6 or any other older version, then you are all fine to watch this video to learn the process, because the tool I'm going to use is here, the magic wand tool and the quick selection tool. Both of the tools are available on all version of Photoshop softwares. Okay, so here I have got two images to remove backgrounds from, so I am going to open them to my software panel, and I'm going to use quick selection tool to remove backgrounds from this image, and I will use the magic wand tool to remove backgrounds from this image to show you the usage of both tools to you. Okay, so here I am going to select the quick selection tool, and I have to actually make a duplicate layer of this image because I want to keep my original file as it is, and I will make all the changes on a new file. Okay, so here I have just clicked on the right button of the mouse and then clicking on duplicate layer, and okay, here we go, we have got a new layer, and I'm going to unview this original one to see the change instantly. Okay, so unviewed, and I have the selected one is the duplicate one. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to select the tool here, quick selection tool, which I have selected a few seconds ago, and it's time to click and drag all the way through the parts that I want to remove or want to delete from my image. Okay, so as you can see, within few seconds or few clicks, I have got a smooth selection of the image or the part that I want to delete from my image. Okay, so now it's time to hit the delete button of our keyboard to delete the background. So I'm going to delete, and as you can see, here is the image I have got without background. Let's see the image with the background. Here it is, and here is the image without the background. Okay, so that's the best tool or the fastest tool to remove backgrounds from these types of images. Okay, and it's time to show you the process of magic wand tool, and I'm going to make this image a little bit bigger by Control plus entering. Okay, and I'm going to open a new duplicate layer of this image as I have done for the previous one. Okay, and I'm clicking on unview the original one, and here the duplicate one selected, and I have to select this magic wand tool here. Okay, so the tool has been selected, and it's time to click on the part or the color types, which color we want to select or we want to remove from our original image. Okay, so here this part is the part we want to remove, so I'm going to click on here, and as you can see, by one simple click we have got the full image selected. Okay, and it's time to click or hit on the delete button, and I have done, and here we have got some extra parts, and in this case we just have to zoom in the image a little bit, and then we have to select this part. Okay, click on this part and then click on delete, and here we go, and here this part, click on delete, and here we go. Okay, so our background has been removed, and here we have got another part we want to remove. Okay, so here we go, this girl is sitting in a chair, and we have got a background free or transparent background of the image of her image. Okay, so that's the way of using the magic wand tool. Both tools are available on any version of Photoshop softwares. Okay, and the easiest ways to remove backgrounds from any photos. Okay, so I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, let me know by commenting below, and if you have any question you can also ask me by commenting below. And if you are a new viewer of this video or of my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I usually upload these types of tips, tricks related videos, and the videos about making money online as I'm a freelancer. Okay, so I believe you will find the videos I already have in my channel helpful for you, or um, soon I'm going to upload videos will be some of your interest based videos. Okay, to if you don't want to miss out them, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have found this video shareable, please share and stay tuned with me. Okay, so I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.